Let's go through LeetCode 232. Implement queue using stacks. We know for queue, it has property like a first in, first out. In the stack, it has a property last in, first out. So what intuitively, what we think about is maybe we can use two stacks. One stack S1 and another is S2. We know stack, it will have, this question asks to implement the functions like a push, pop, pick, and check whether stack is, this queue is empty or not. So what we look at these two stacks is that when we push an element, for example, X1, we just push it to S1, and also X2, right? And X3. And when we try to pop, firstly, for pop, we have two steps. The first step is that we check whether S2 is empty or not. If it's not empty, we just pop an element from S2. First is the S2 empty or not? It's empty. If it's not empty, we just pop. And if it is empty, what we are going to see that we pop everything from S1 to S2. So it will be X3, X2, and X1. Right. So then we pop the element of X1 out. So for pick, we just not, that is not pop, just a pick, right? So that is similar logic. For this kind of implementations, we will find for every element, it put to S1 one time. And for pop or pick, that is all of the elements, they were going to pushed to S2, but for every element, they just averagely or amortize to be pushed to S2 just a one-time operation, right? And also the pop is also an O1 operation. So we'll see to push every element that is ON, but averagely that just being switched one time. So it is amortized O1 time complexity. So let's try to write code for this. We know we need to have two stacks. For push, it is very straightforward. We just have a stack one, push X. And whether it is empty, we just return stack one is empty, and stack two is empty. And push and pop. We have if empty. Maybe we return -1. Here is the thing that if stack 2 is empty, if stack 2 is empty, we are going to push to stack 2 everything from stack 1. That means at least this here we already tell empty to return small of -1. So if this one is empty, that means stack 1 is not empty. So while stack 1 is not empty, stack 2 push stack 1 pop. And now stack 2 will have some element return stack 2 dot pop. So for pick, logic will be the same, but we return pick. Okay, so the time complexity will be amortized O1, right? Because averagely will be just O1. Every element push to stack 1 and move stack 1 to stack 2 one time, and pop out stack 2 just also one time. So that is a O1 operation. And space complexity with 2 stacks to be O1. Just linear operations like so yeah, that's it.